Hi, welcome to this quick video where we're going to check out the brand new Claude free model by Anthropic, which was just released. And it comes in free version, the Opus one, which is the Pro version where we have to pay for, and the Sonnet version, which is actually the free one you can use for free. And it's still very good. Like, even as you look at the benchmarks here, the Sonnet version is pretty much like almost as good, for some stuff even better than GPT-4. And so we're going to compare Claude free Sonnet against GPT-4 with ChatGPT. And we're going to focus as usual on the vision capabilities because, I'm a computer vision guy, so we gotta take a look into this. And apparently also Claude free has strong vision capabilities. And for some of those, even the free version should be better than GPT-4 Vision. We're going to check out things like we'll let it describe an image. We also let it analyze a graphic, a table, and extract it into a table. And we try a few different things, what we can do there, right? So here we have both. We have GPT-4. I'm going to start this first and then Claude free. Okay, let's see. So I asked it, describe this image and tell me where it could be. Well, look at this. It's a little bit overwhelmed already with Claude free. And so we had a little arrow here, but look at how fast it is. Even since it started a little bit later, it's actually done earlier, right? It is very good. It describes the image pretty much perfectly. And also tells me that it's likely in Central or Eastern Europe, which is the case because this is the Moritzburg Castle, which is nearby my place. And as you can see, GPT is quite slow and it's still processing all of this stuff. But yeah, it's likely getting there in a minute. And the description is also pretty much spot on. So I would give a point to both of them. So now we're going to compare if it can extract content from a table. So you see, this is actually the table from the Claude free announcement where they have the benchmark basically for the vision capabilities. And now I'm asking both, extract the text and create me a table with the same content. And as you can see, well, I would say Claude free, pretty spot on. I mean, if I compare the data here, very much impressive. So the first attempt with GPT failed. As you can see, it says like, it's too long. Let me try something else. I would say definitely a plus point for Claude because we're using the Sonnet version here, which is the free one. And here I'm using GPT, the Pro, right? The paid version with GPT-4 Vision. Well, I would say massive fail on the GPT-4 Vision side. It tried 2 more times, in fact, and it still cannot actually extract the data with OCR. All right, so let's try this. Analyze this graph and tell me which one is a good trade-off between intelligence and cost. And so this is also, taken from the blog post. And now it analyzed the graph and, Sonnet already done. It says Claude free Sonnet appears to offer a good trade-off between cost and intelligence level. And that's exactly right, because that's the one in the middle and you can read the graph. So it understood the graph kind of, right? So also ChatGPT with GPT-4 Vision gets it. Now we're going to ask it to actually analyze this famous website screenshot and create me a similar code for this, Claude free and Sonnet, that it can give me some high-level, help and provide some kind of basic structure, but it cannot provide the full code, which is a little bit awkward. But it realized it's the Google homepage because it's a copyrighted website and it would be a copyright infringement. That's so great. GPT-4 Vision just does it with CSS in there. I got the website here. Let's test its humor. So I have a little comic strip here, which we're uploading and asking, what is the joke here? So let's see if Claude free with Sonnet gets the joke. Yep, it totally gets the joke. And also ChatGPT with GPT-4 Vision gets the joke here and explains it quite well. But again, Claude free Sonnet, it's the free version in comparison to the paid one from GPT. And also, it seems to be much faster with Claude free by Anthropic. Now we're going to see if it will make a joke about myself. So that's a picture of myself. And I ask it, make a joke about this person. It says, I'm not comfortable making jokes about people. Now I told it basically, hey, that's me. You don't have to worry about it. But it still won't do it. But GPT makes a joke. It's okay. It's not bad. Now let's test if it understands our world a little bit and can get physics. So GPT-4 already started. Claude free Sonnet is now starting, and it tells me if you remove the stones on the top right, the balanced sculpture will become unbalanced and topple over. So perfect. Great explanation. Very short. Done. GPT-4 Vision, as expected, also gets it. So points for both. As you can see, you can also subscribe to Claude free Pro, and then you don't get restrictions in terms of free messages. But definitely very impressive, even with the free version, what you can achieve there. All right, that's it. Thanks for watching and see you soon. Bye bye.